Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's been a long time. It's always a long time when it comes to my channel, but you guys, it's been a very hectic, it was a hectic year because it's a new year, and happy new year. It's never too late. Happy new year, good fortsättning, and yeah. Anyway, I haven't been here for a long time and it's so bad, but I'm back. I'm still here. Anyways, whether I'm here or not here, this YouTube channel will still exist, so you guys just keep subscribing, and I will try obviously to bring up new content, new series of stuff and whatever, because I love creating. It's just the time. I love to juggle through things, a lot of things, and sometimes some things take up a lot of time than other things. I've been doing my studies, I've been working, I've been doing whatnot. But yeah, without further ado, I'm gonna jump into this video. This video is about a series of products. I've decided I'm gonna try out a few products that they sell in Sweden because I'm internet phobic, so I don't like to buy products online, especially when it comes to hair products or skin products. I like to go out in the store, read about the product, ask around in the store and get some reviews, and then buy the product. So for those who live in Sweden and you're Afro, you have Afro hair, I got you. So there's a few stores that sell like natural hair products in Sweden, and yeah, I'm here guys to give you a review on some of the products. And today the series is Creme of Nature. Creme of Nature. I've never used these products before, and you can see they are new. And by the way, I haven't washed my hair, you guys, for a long time because I wanted to record this video. As you can see, my hair is literally dirty. It's been in this style for about 3 weeks. 3 weeks. I've been trying to get proper time to record this, and now it's 6 in the morning and I'm recording this. But you guys, this Creme of Nature is a new product that I've never tried, and I'm not gonna lie, I'm gonna give you a review. It's sold in Taj Mahal, and this is not an advertisement. I'm here guys to help out. I'm here to help out. So I got a shampoo, restoring shampoo and restoring conditioner, helps with breakage. You guys, by the way, tell me something. Does having your hair in because this hair was gelled down, so does that count as a protective style? Comment down below and tell me if that counts as a protective style, because I don't know if gelling down your hair counts like a protective style. I've had this for about 2 weeks I think. So yeah, since New Year, probably. Yeah, since New Year. And today is the 17th. I'm embarrassed to say this, but I'm doing this for you guys. So anyways, without further ado, I'm gonna go and use the shampoo first, and then I'll come back and condition my hair with you guys. See you in a bit. Cream of Nature with argan oil and Morocco. I think I figured out how they call it. And not so many reviews on YouTube, but yes, I went out, I got this too. And as I said, or maybe I haven't said it yet, I'm going to be reviewing most of the products that I use on my natural hair. So for some time I've neglected my hair, and now I really want to take care of my hair. It's growing, yes it's growing, but I'm not giving it too much love like I should. So I'm gonna try to do that. But yeah, and as well I'll be reviewing products for you guys who Afro people in Sweden. Afro people. It sounds so bad. But yeah, people with Afro hair. I'll be reviewing most of the products that I use on my hair and see what's working for me. And without mentioning, my hair type is, I think my hair type is 4C, 4A, 4B, 4C, 4B, 4C. I'm not so sure. So most of these products that will work on my hair might not work on you. So just put that in consideration. But without further ado, well, this is the conditioner and this is the shampoo. The shampoo was a little bit, reminds me a little bit of Cantu shampoo. Yeah. It dries out everything, like it literally rinses everything. It cleanses out everything, like you can feel your hair clean, at the same time dry, the point that it feels like it's breaking. So I don't feel like that's a good kind of shampoo. But at the same time, my hair felt so clean. My hair was so dirty. My hair was so dirty, but it felt so clean. So yes, it's a 50-50 when it comes to the shampoo. But as well, it doesn't, I'll say yes to this. I'll say yes to the shampoo. Yes to the shampoo. I can use this. I can go with this. What else? It smells so good. That's like a basic. It smells so good. Yeah, you like your hair to smell good, so you gotta choose a shampoo that smells so good. It kind of reminds me of Tresemme. I think that shampoo is called Tresemme smell. Yeah, something like that. But yeah, the shampoo, yes. And now when we go to the conditioner, I mean, like, there's not so much to say. The smell is good. It has good texture. No, that's not texture. Yeah, I think I can use texture. It got a nice texture. It's smooth. Unlike Cantu. Well, I don't know why I'm comparing to Cantu, but yeah, I don't like Cantu, but yeah, it's got a smooth texture. So when applying it to the hair, it's really nice. Soft texture, soft. It's yeah, you get me. And on the other hand, let's start with the texture on the conditioner. It's very bad. It's thick that it doesn't go through this small hole right here, so you have to open up the lid and kind of press. You see, it's not even falling out of here, and that bothers me a lot when it comes to a lot of shampoos. I don't know why conditioners. I don't know why they make the conditioner like Tresemme. It's really hard to pour out. Some of the Tresemme types that I've used, it's really hard to pour out from the bottle. I think people need to change on that. And the other thing is that it's too thick. It's too thick, and I don't like when a product is so thick on my hair. It feels like it's wearing onto my hair, and yeah, somehow it feels like it's gonna fall off anytime. But yeah, it's too thick. It's just, I don't like it. But on the other hand, this conditioner left my hair soft. Look, I haven't put any product into my hair, but my hair is so soft, which I very much like. It's so soft, like guys, I can't even, I don't know how to show you or how you guys are gonna believe me, but this product right here made my hair so soft, and that is a big plus. And that's what a conditioner is supposed to do. It's supposed to make your hair soft. It's supposed to make your hair feel good. It's supposed to make your hair feel nice, and that's what this conditioner is doing to my hair right now. And for that, I love it. I so much will use these products. I mean, like, obviously you're not gonna find anything perfect, 100% perfect for your hair on the market. Okay, I think there are some products that are perfect for your hair, but it takes time. So with these products right here, I think I'll give them a 70. Both of them I'll give them a 70. So yeah, guys, thank you for watching, and I will be back with another hair series. I don't know what yet, but yeah, I'm not sure what. I think I will do a style with my hair, and I think I will record that. But yeah, for now, see you in the next one, and don't forget to subscribe, share this video. You guys, I'm doing this for you, people in Sweden. I'm doing this for you. So with that, go down there and click on that button, like, share, and goodbye.